Hi everyone, my name is Amit and I am the founder and owner of Hopskip Media. I want to start off by saying that I am so incredibly excited to have you here with us today. I appreciate the fact that you signed up for the newsletter, but also have opened them, read the content, and are watching the video now. You will never understand how much that means to me. Today, what I want to talk about is my second favorite thing in the realm of digital marketing. We'll be talking about my first next month, and that is Google Ad Scripts. So as business owners, we already have so much on our plates. We have admin tasks, running our team, running our business just in general, speaking and managing clients or customers, legal, finance. The list is basically endless at this point, and it becomes very overwhelming very quickly. And a lot of these tasks tend to be pretty repetitive, checking emails, just constantly sending follow-ups and that kind of stuff. So if you're sitting there thinking about all the repetitive tasks that you execute throughout your day and you say, Google Ads is one of them, this video is going to be perfect for you because Google actually allows us to implement something called scripts that actually allows us to automate our ads in our entire campaign to a certain degree. Probably wondering, what exactly are Google Ad scripts? Well, people that are significantly smarter than me wrote these pieces of JavaScript code that we can copy and paste back into Google Ads. And essentially what this code does is it tells Google what we want them to do and when we want them to do it. And I know that it can be relatively daunting, especially if you've never actually worked with code before, but these writers have made it significantly easy for us to actually implement the code without needing additional help by leaving notes for us and letting us know what should be altered and what shouldn't be touched at all. So when you're looking at JavaScript code, you'll see something like this. So before we go off the deep end with Google Ad scripting, we should probably talk about the benefits of scripting first. First being, it saves you so much darn time. Using these scripts can actually help you save time manually updating and monitoring your ads campaign. Tasks like keyword performance, your search term reports, adding negative keywords, budgeting, and so on and so forth can actually be helped by using Google Ads scripting. All of these tasks are super repetitive, can be time consuming, and kind of dull. So having something like scripting to kind of take over that work is incredibly beneficial for all of us. Benefit number 2 is Google Ad Scripts can actually improve your campaign's performance. So scripting can automate your ads and assess its performance so you don't have to waste your time on any of that. It can detect ads that are not converting well. It can get rid of them instantly. And then there's also scripts that can bid on inexpensive, high converting keywords and tons of other optimizations that are possible. Benefit number 3, less room for errors. When you're manually updating and making changes to your campaigns, mistakes are bound to happen. It can't be helped, especially when there's tons of things to do on your to-do list. Google Ad Scripts can detect these errors, fix them before it messes up your ads. Some examples of these are sending you alerts if a campaign has accidentally been paused, if your URL is no longer active and you forgot to update it, which has been a lifesaver for us. It also helps us with budgeting. We have a sheet that comes into us every single day that tells us how much the budget is for the month, how much we've already spent, if we're on track to spend the full amount or if we're trailing behind or maybe a bit too far in advance, and along with some conversion data. So we have one area where we look at everything every single day before we actually hop into the accounts. I don't know about you, but I think that's a pretty sweet deal. You can relax at night knowing that your campaign is running properly and that there are no errors. And if there are any errors that do present themselves during that evening, you'll be immediately alerted. So it won't go on for weeks or months on end. You'll be able to nip that mistake or that issue in the bud as soon as you possibly can. And to make it even better, there are hundreds of available scripts online for you to use. They fall under various types and categories, but you can categorize them like this. So if you're looking to beef up your campaign, optimize it better, fix any errors that might be in it, and save yourself a ton of time, Google Ad Scripts is the way to go. So that's it for today, my friend. I hope you found a ton of value in this video. You're getting really, really excited to start using Google Ad Scripts. And if you have any questions or concerns, please reply back to the email. It comes directly to me, and I would love to answer any and all of your questions. Until next month, please stay safe, and I will see you then. Bye.